We got Cake Las Vegas to $1 million in revenue. We were so excited to hit that milestone, but we were so anxious, barely getting by, that we couldn't celebrate how we should have. With our old system, many instances where cakes were produced and cakes were made, and come to find out they were canceled. Stuff was falling through the cracks.
How I found Cake was just driving down Lake Mead, saw their sign, and I wanted to see what they were all about. I had the pleasure of meeting the business owners.
Dianne was one of the nicest people I've ever met.
We had the conversation about a second location.
We wanted to open a second location, but the thought of double the stress was so overwhelming, I couldn't even wrap my mind around it. We run Cake like a family business, so when Dianne treated me like family, I knew it was time to move forward with WaFd. Before Dianne, I didn't even know my banker's name.
Business owners need a bank that's loyal to them and let them know that we want to see them continue to prosper and we want them to be successful.
It finally felt like we weren't alone anymore. Dianne made it so simple to open our new WaFd account.
There's a lot of things that on the branch level we're not able to provide. Our partnership with FINSYNC, we go hand in hand.
When I saw all my finances on one platform, it gave me such peace. I didn't even know that something like Collect Early existed. Collect Early allowed me access to funds in 4 hours versus 4 weeks. Having the capital on my time has literally changed everything.
When we see these small to mid-sized businesses grow in the community, it helps our community be successful and flourish. We want our communities to have a place like Cake, especially when birthdays come up, holidays, we need them.
I feel like now with WaFd and FinSync, Daniel and I can actually enjoy our success.